Sometimes, we find something small, and it quietly changes the way we see our whole life. Lin lived in a small room with a warm yellow light. His desk looked clean, but inside his mind were many unfinished dreams. Every day, he told himself the same thing. I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow felt easy. Tomorrow felt safe. Tomorrow felt like the perfect place to hide his fear of beginning. One rainy night, the room felt extra quiet. Lin walked to his bookshelf, hoping to calm his mind. He touched an old book, a book his teacher had given him years ago. He remembered the teacher's soft voice. Open it when the time is right. Back then, he didn't feel ready, but tonight, something inside him felt different. He opened the book. A small paper slipped out and fell to the floor. The paper was old, the edges yellow, but the message was clear. The future is decided by what you do today, not tomorrow. Lin stared at the sentence. It felt simple, but it hit his heart in a deep, honest way, like someone quietly telling him, "You have waited long enough." He sat down, opened his notebook, and wrote one short line. I will start today. He didn't do anything big. He just cleaned one small part of his desk. Then he studied for 10 minutes. Slow, calm, easy. The next day, he did one more small thing, and the day after, another. Tiny actions, soft steps. But all happening today, not someday. Slowly, he felt lighter, stronger, more alive, and the life he always dreamed of finally began to move toward him. Life doesn't always change with big decisions. Sometimes it changes with one small truth. Read at the right moment. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need a big start. You only need one simple step. Today. Because the future is not built by waiting. It is built by the gentle things you do now. Even small steps can open new doors. And the moment you choose today, life begins to shift. Start today. Meaning, begin now, not later. Example, Lin decided to start today, even with a small action. A small step, meaning a simple action that helps you move forward. Example, cleaning his desk was a small step that changed his mood. Little by little, meaning slowly, with many small actions over time. Example, Lin improved his life little by little, one day at a time. Sometimes, one simple sentence can open a new path. Maybe today is your first small step. And tell me, what do you think about Lin's story? Do you believe he can change his future with those tiny daily actions? Share your thoughts with me in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. If this story touched you, stay with me for more.